So I recently bought the Ninja Speedi and I've decided to test it out with a simple macaroni cheese recipe. It's the first thing I'm making and all I've done is adjust a recipe that came with the 15-in-1. So I've added 350 grams of dried macaroni, then 750 millilitres of cold water. Then I've added 200 millilitres of double cream. You could use single cream if you prefer it a bit lighter, or you could use creme fraiche if you prefer. Then I've also added in half a teaspoon each of salt, garlic powder, onion powder and mustard powder, and then give everything a good stir. Close the lid and then flip the SmartSwitch up to rapid cooker. Select Speedi Meals and set the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius and the time to 12 minutes. The unit will steam for about 7 minutes before the countdown begins. Once it's finished, open the lid and stir in some grated cheese. I've used cheddar, but you could use a different type. Keep stirring until it's melted in. Then next, melt the butter and mix in the breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese and a sprinkle of paprika. Sprinkle the mixture evenly over the pasta and spread it out as much as possible. So close the lid and then flip the SmartSwitch down to the air fryer hob mode. And select the air fry setting with the temperature at 200 degrees Celsius for around 5 minutes until the topping is golden brown. And that's it, the macaroni cheese is now ready to serve. I was really happy with how this meal turned out and I'm really looking forward to making more recipes in the Speedi. Do let me know in the comments if you have a Speedi and what you've made so far. Hopefully I'll be sharing lots more recipes with you here and over on Liana's Kitchen. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.